Hey guys, I got a new pot holder and oven mitt for my kitchen. I've had these for a while. I packed them away when I was in Texas. We moved out here and I didn't want them to get ruined when I was cooking with the camp stove and all of that. So I kept them put away. And I actually won these, and it's from Zazu's Stitch Art, and she is phenomenal. I love the way she teaches. She does tutorials, and I like how she has the movement and the quilting, but I also learned from her that I can do the edges of my pot holders in a wiggly or ziggly design. I'm one of these people that I can't do anything straight. So if it's a straight line of any kind, whether that's hanging a picture, whether it's, oh heck, sewing on the sewing machine, anything, I cannot do it straight. I try and try and try. And that sets me up for failure, because I know if I've got to do something straight, I'm not going to be successful, and so therefore I have failed, which is baloney, and I know it, but that's kind of the way it feels. So now that I know, I can make all kinds of pot holders, and I did one year, made a whole bunch, and this is the ratty one I made. Right, I made that, and I use that all the time. Since we've been here. It was brand new when we got here. I'd never used it. But now, it's pretty much wore out. But as you can see, I did all kinds of funny stitching. And it didn't turn out too bad. And it's still working. Then, of course, I made some jean pocket pot holders, too, for grabbing stuff. And so I've been doing these for about 3 years, since I was introduced to Zazu's website, actually, and her YouTube channel. And I love the art that she does. She does a lot of quilt art. Go check her out on YouTube. She's also on Patreon as well. And here are my pot holders hanging on a rack, and or whatever you call it. Actually, it's for like using for your dish towels and things like that. So, but I figured it'll be great for my strainers and my pot holders and things I really don't have a place to put. So I hung up my beautiful new bacon pot holder up. And actually, it's the back side of my bacon mitt here. Here, let me turn it around and I'll show you. See, saw it earlier. And here I'm going to turn that around. And see, there you have it. And again, this is from Zazu Stitch Art, and she has her channel here on YouTube. Go check her out. One of my favorite creators on YouTube. She doesn't do enough videos to suit me. Oh, and I forgot to show you, these are the napkins that she included with my gift, and it's really neat. Again, I've been saving these, but Rob and I will use them. I'm finding we do use a lot more napkins, cloth napkins now, rather than paper towels. It saves a lot of money that way. They wash, they come out great. I've been saving these, but now that I'm starting to get a little bit of something going on in my kitchen, I thought I'd bring out my goodies I have been saving for this purpose.